This Rodeo Realty property video is presented by Tony Hansen, less than bedroom greater than number 878,087. This home is incredible, totally remolded, everything has been brought up to date. A two-story beauty. As you enter you will notice the new screen and front doors, you will see the open floor plan, the lovely vinyl new floors throughout, and fresh neutral paint. The kitchen is a dream, all new appliances, new cabinets, marble countertops, the two baths have been completely done with marble, new shower, tub, cabinets. This home is brand new. Nice view from the master bedroom, lots windows throughout to bring natural light in. One look and you will want to move in. The patio and outside will be done by next weekend. For more information, review the